Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing video that I'm sharing with you today. Oh God. Sir, can you excuse me just real quick? Just get, okay. No. Now I gotta do it again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing video. I just received this shipment from Costa Farms of a couple of plants I ordered, and I know you're looking like, well, how many plants did you order? Let me tell y'all, they opened this online store just randomly, and I feel like it was randomly because it was like at night. Like I got the email late at night. Sir, you're in the shop. You're in the shop. My God. Okay. No. Move back. How am I going to do the video if you keep getting in it? Okay. I'm just going to open the box, okay? I'm just open the box. Okay, so we're going to start off with this box. And I got these for my friends. I got two for me and one for each of my friends. We wanted, like, you know, different things from the shop. So let's just show y'all what we got. Oh, wow. I can see that it is what I think it is. Which I feel like I should have just left it in the box, right? The two friends that I ordered this for, one is on Instagram as Soil in Love, and the other one is on Instagram as Awkward Black Boy. I will put their handles in the description bar below. They are also planty lovers too, so check out their pages. It looks like it comes with this pamphlet. And looks like description on what you ordered and how to take care of it. Let's just get to the plant. I didn't even know this got shipped out, guys, so if Costa Farms is wondering one thing that they need to fix, they need to let us know when they're shipping out our stuff. As you can see, I don't have the right scissors. It takes a lot to unwrap this. It just takes a lot. Yeah, I need a knife instead. So, we got a knife. Probably also not the best way to open it. Seemed like the best way to me. Okay, more layers. More layers. Yes. They wanted to make sure that these come in mint condition. I get it. I do. Okay. What the hell? I didn't expect that. So they sent it. I don't know why I didn't expect that. They sent it in the pot that you choose. It was either white or black. And it also is currently in a nursery pot, which is what I didn't expect. Hey, you better not licking dirt. Okay, so this is the first one. Now I'm pretty sure that it did get a little injured because of some of the browning on the leaves. Oh, you can't see it that well, but I think it's because of the cold. So I have plenty of time to do some rehabbing for this plant before I'm able to deliver it to my friends. You got some roots that are exposed. Yeah, just a little bit damage in shipping. Let's see how the others are. Put this in here. Oh. Okay, let's red the light. Sorry. You know, when the light moves, I gotta move. So, this is the second box, and I expect it to be the same thing in it. But unfortunately, see, if I was able to just go and drop these off, I would just deliver to them in the box. But because I'm not able to do that right now, I have to make sure that they are okay. Oh, these are fatter bubbles. That's the best way to do it, guys. Ooh. So as you can see, this went through some shit too. The dirt has fallen out. It's all around, but this, it's not as much browning. I only see that one little spot on the leaf, but all the other leaves seem fine. So this one won't need as much, but oh, it looks like it did lose one leaf. But I am gonna definitely rehab it and just let it acclimate to the area. Yeah, this is a lot of dirt that fell out. So that is another. Oh, I didn't say what these were. These are all true blue moon, triple moonlight, syndapsis. Yeah, that's what this is. And this is my box. So this is a taller box because I bought another plant. I bought the triple moonlight for me and also a begonia. This particular begonia, I unfortunately did not get to purchase it when they popped up at the Wegmans. Apparently they were popping up all over the world. And it's on top. Oh no, I think they owe me another box, but I don't care. It's so I'm sorry, guys. Well, look at this. Yeah, they do owe me another box. Holy shit. You would think that I'll be more happy about the tribute. I am, but goddamn, like I've been looking for this plant for, I don't know, since the summertime. I believe in the summertime it popped up in a Wegmans. And look at her. She has been completely removed. The dirt been shifting everywhere. Oh goodness, she had a new leaf. I'm probably going to lose it, but look how full it is. Oh, this is just beautiful. I'm so happy with this purchase. Oh, we lost one. You can't win them all. Oh, wow. And this was a new leaf as well. Guys, this is just beautiful. This just makes me so happy. Look at the back of the leaves. Oh my goodness. I just hope that I'm able to take care of this. I believe it's called the polka dot begonia. There's probably like another literal name for it. I'm just not sure it is. I believe it's also like considered angel wings. I'm not sure again. But I feel like this was worth every dime at this point. I'm sorry for cursing. I'll try to bleep it out. But look at it. Oh! So they owe me another package because I bought 3 tribute moonlights. One for me, one for Awkward Black Boy, and one for Soil in Love. And again, I'll definitely leave their Instagrams in the description bar below. This is a unboxing from Costa Farms. They just opened their online store for their subscribers. I'm not sure if you were a subscriber, but they opened their online store to their subscribers and released a couple of items. And the biggest, you know, hit, of course, is the True Blue Moonlight. For me, the biggest hit is this polka dot begonia. Oh my god. But yeah, I do want to say that, you know, all of these were priced at $50. Now, I know to some people $50 is a lot. And I know to others, $50 isn't a lot. Well, to me, at the time of purchase, and actually still now, $50 was not a lot for this tribute moonlight. And the reason I say that is because when I was looking for this plant, I've been looking for it all summer up until now. And there have been people on Etsy selling just a cutting for $35 or just 2 cuttings in a node for $50. So to me, this wasn't a lot. And unfortunately, I live in Maryland. I don't live in those tropical areas like Florida or who else is getting it? California. They have actually been popping up in the actual stores from Costa Farms. And of course, they're going to be a lot cheaper. It's probably $20. I don't know. So if you're like me and you don't want to wait because of being impatient, get it from Costa Farms on the website. But understand you are paying $50 for it. Also understand that the tribute moonlight is going to be a regular tropical, trending tropical item. So if you can wait, like I could not, but if you can wait, I'm 100% sure they are going to be in all the stores in the U.S. 100% sure. You know? Yeah, 100%. I'm pretty sure because I follow this guy on Reddit. I'm trying to remember his name. I think it's like Justin Gardner. I believe it's Justin Gardner. And if you ask him questions or you comment about Costa Farms, he actually responds. And someone asked him about the tribute moonlight, and he said that it will be a regular trending tropical in 2021. So this is the unboxing of the Costa Farms website. This is how they sent it. And I do want to say the quality and how they sent it and how you saw how bad, not bad, but like how it was wrapped up, how hard it was to get it out of the box. They did an excellent job in making sure that the plant arrives. A lot less casualties. So I give this a complete thumbs up. Like, this is amazing. And to only actually lose one little ass leaf off this begonia is amazing to me. Like, this thing is beautiful and full. It's just stunning. It's so stunning. I'm in love. Anywho, hopefully this is a really short video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the last video of 2020. And I hope for nothing but great things for everyone in 2021. Happy New Year.